In the late 1930s, Europe was changing fast. Cars were a luxury, built for the wealthy few. Roads were filling with machines that represented power, prestige, and class, but for the common man, owning a car was still a distant dream. Then came a vision: to create a car for everyone. A car that was affordable, reliable, and simple to maintain. That dream became reality with the birth of one of the most iconic vehicles in automotive history, the Volkswagen Beetle. Born in Germany in 1938, the Beetle began as an idea called Volkswagen, meaning people's car. It was a bold concept. A small, efficient car that could carry a family of 4, drive long distances, and still cost less than a motorcycle with a sidecar. The project was overseen by Ferdinand Porsche, a brilliant engineer who designed the car to be tough, practical, and full of personality. The first prototypes appeared with a unique rounded body, not just for style, but for function. The curved shape made it aerodynamic and easy to manufacture. The engine was placed in the rear, air-cooled, and simple enough to repair with basic tools. It wasn't fast or fancy, but it was clever, and it worked. World War II soon halted civilian production, and the Beetle's story nearly ended before it began. The factory in Wolfsburg was heavily damaged, and Germany lay in ruins. Yet, against all odds, the car survived. After the war, the British Army revived production under Major Ivan Hurst, who saw potential in the little car that could. By 1946, the Beetle was back on the road, this time not as a political project, but as a symbol of hope and recovery. As the 1950s dawned, the Volkswagen Beetle began to travel far beyond Germany's borders. It rolled into Europe, Britain, America, and eventually, almost every country on Earth. Its charm was universal. With its cute, bug-like design, distinctive hum of the rear engine, and unpretentious personality, people everywhere fell in love with it. In the United States, the Beetle became an instant cultural hit. While American cars were growing larger, heavier, and more powerful, the little Beetle offered something completely different: simplicity, honesty, and efficiency. Advertisements from Volkswagen didn't try to hide its small size, they celebrated it. Think Small became one of the most famous ad campaigns in history. It turned the Beetle into more than just a car, it became a statement. Throughout the 1960s, the Beetle became a symbol of peace, freedom, and individuality. It was the car of the students, the travelers, the dreamers, and the rebels. It appeared in music festivals, art films, and college campuses. And of course, it gained worldwide fame as Herbie the Love Bug, the cheerful racing car from Disney movies that could drive itself, and win hearts wherever it went. Technically, the Beetle was never about power or speed. Its early 1.1-liter flat-4 engine produced around 25 horsepower, giving it a top speed of about 115 kilometers per hour. But that was enough. It was economical, durable, and could drive thousands of miles with minimal maintenance.